Hi, my name is Fermark, this is Bayani, and I'm gonna report some topics in math. This is based on my learning. Thank you. I will discuss the nature of the roots of a quadratic equation using discriminant. Here is the objectives that we must follow. First, evaluate the expression b squared minus 4ac given the value of a, b, and c, and determine the nature of roots of quadratic equation using the discriminant. In the quadratic formula, x is equal to negative b positive negative square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. The radicand b squared minus 4ac is called the discriminant. A, B, and C. Evaluate the expression b squared minus 4ac given the following values of a, b, and c. One is a, b is 5, c is 4. So b squared minus 4ac. So 5 is the b, and 1 is the a, c is the 4. So 5 times 5 equals 25, then 4 times 1 equals 4, times 4 equals 16. So 25 minus 16 is 9. Number 2, a is 4, b is 4, c is 1. b squared minus 4ac is 4 times 4 equals 16. 4 times 4, 16. 16 minus 16 is equal to 0. Number 3, a is 1, b is 2, c is 2. So b squared minus 4ac is equal to negative 2 squared minus 4 times 1 times 2. So negative 2 times negative 2 is equal to 4. Then 4 times 1 is equal to 4. Then 4 times 2 is equal to 8. So 4 minus 8 is equal to negative 4. Discriminant. B squared minus 4ac, number and types of solution 0. The roots are real numbers and equal. Positive and perfect square. The roots are rational numbers and not equal. Positive but not a perfect square. The roots are irrational numbers and not equal. Negative. The real roots or solution. Describe the roots of x squared minus 4x plus is equal to 0. A is 1, b is negative 4, c is 4. b squared minus 4ac equal to negative 4 squared minus 4 times 1 times 4. Negative 4 times negative 4 is equal to 16. Then 4 times 1 is equal to 4. 4 times 4 equal to 16. 16 minus 16 is equal to 0. Since b squared 4ac is 0, the roots of the quadratic equation are real numbers and are equal. Describe the roots of x squared plus 7x plus 10 is equal to 0. A is 1, b is 7, c is 10. b squared minus 4ac is equal to 7 squared minus 4 times 1 times 10. 7 times 7 is equal to 49. 4 times 1 equals 4. 4 times 10 is equal to 40. 49 minus 40 is equal to 9. Since b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0 and perfect square, the roots of the quadratic equation are rational numbers but are not equal. Describe the roots of x squared plus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. A is 1, b is 6, c is 3. b squared minus 4ac is equal to 6 squared minus 4 times 1 times 3. 6 times 6 is equal to 36. 4 times 1 is equal to 4. 4 times 3 is equal to 12. 36 minus 12 is equal to 24. Since b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0 but not a perfect square, the roots of the quadratic equation are irrational numbers are not equal. Describe the roots of x squared plus 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. A is 1, b is 2, c is 5. Squared minus 4ac is equal to 2 squared minus 4 times 1 times 5 equals to 2 times 2 is equal to 4, 4 times 1 is equal to 4, 4 times 5 is equal to 24, minus 20 is equal to negative 16. Since b squared minus 4ac is less than 0, the roots of quadratic equation has no real roots.